Hi guys, welcome to another farming video. Now in today's video I'm just going to show you guys what's been going on with tomato, because this tomato you're seeing right here have already been reaped off. But listen, guess what happened? Some rain have been falling, and guys, oh my gosh, I'm going to show you something. These spring right over. They spring over and they're blossoming. Look at that. I haven't even sprayed these because normally when a tomato ground, don't you just pull it off and that's it. But because I'm not going to be using the land right now, I decided not to pull it off until I'm ready for the land. Look there guys. Look at that. They're springing over. They even have young tomatoes on them. They even have young tomatoes, guys. I mean, exactly like every tree is like physically springing over. Oh my god. Now guys, I'm making this video to tell you guys that I will be going on a break from farming because of all the pressure I had faced with the previous farms. I'm not going to farm over the summer, and as you guys know, summer is coming up and we're not going to have a lot of rainfall, and buying water is very expensive. So I'll be going on a farming break until in the fall, which is September. So I'm gonna start training the seedlings in July and August, and then I can go ahead and prepare the land in August to plant for September. Now guys, all this area up at the top there, so I want to get it clear because I want to extend the farm. So I'm gonna clear that area up at the top. I'm gonna get hire a salmon and I'm gonna get those clear, and also down at the bottom right here, so I'm gonna get it clear. So I'll be updating you guys on that, showing you the process of clearing it and such, because mostly there's a lot of logwood over this end and they're stopping the sunlight from coming into the farm. So I'm gonna get them cut down and thing, and then I might extend the farm back that side as well. But I don't know guys, I'm just trotting along. I think I'm going to plant some carrot in the fall. Yes, I'm going to plant some carrot in the fall, and also I'm going to go back and try my luck with broccoli again, because I haven't been having much luck with broccoli. And guys, look at this tomato tree. You'd actually think that I actually planted it and it spring back over, because if you look carefully you can see that's a new springing, and then this is the old one. So look, take a look guys. I mean, this thing is springing and it's so healthy. Look at there. Look there guys. Oh my god. Yeah, and then I have some grung bean in here also. There's some grung bean. And the tomato them spring back over, yo. This guy's home on the farm taking a look. I'm going to look at the broccoli, see if I can find any for market sale. As you all know, I have gotten a big beating with the drought with the broccoli. A big beating. So I did paint those trees. I did cut them and paint them with some artan. Was it artan? Something like that. So they're like dying now. Yeah, those are dying, but the greener ones I'm gonna get a salmon and cut them down. And I think I'm gonna work all of this land in the fall. Yeah, it's a big farm, but I mean, I'm gonna try and work everything and see how that turns out. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and look at the broccoli right now. It's because I haven't been getting much rain on the broccoli in the first spot when they was planted. I wasn't really paying much attention to them because I didn't want to actually waste all my time on these, and then I don't get anything out of them. So I mean, because the rain kind of fall last week. Was it last week? Yeah, last week the rain fall, so them kind of look pretty, you know. See, them kind of look pretty. They kind of changed up. Yeah, this is the younger piece of broccoli, so they kind of change up and all that. I'm not even going to weed them out, to be honest. I'm not even going to weed it out. I'm just gonna leave it like this, and if I get anything, I saw it go. Yes guys, so that is the update of my farm. So as I said before, I will be going on a break, so you won't be seeing any farming video, but still stay tuned because I'm going to be doing other videos. So thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification button so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video, and don't forget to like, share and leave a comment. Bye for now.